In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add conditional logic to your forms on Tally.so. Whether you're refining an existing form or creating a new one, integrating conditional logic is a great way to enhance user interaction and make your forms smarter. Let's walk through the process step by step. First things first, you'll need to access Tally.so. Head over to your preferred web browser and type in the URL Tally.so. Once the website loads, log in with your credentials. If you haven't used Tally.so before, this would be a good moment to create an account. When you're logged in, choose the form you want to work with, or if you're feeling creative, start fresh with a new form. With your form open, our focus now shifts to the specific field where you'd like to implement conditional logic. Click on the field of interest to bring up its settings. You should see an option labeled either logic or conditional logic. This is where the magic happens, so go ahead and click on that to dive deeper. Next, it's time to actually add a condition to this field. Start by selecting Add Condition. You'll need to pick a trigger field, essentially the one that determines when your condition kicks in. For instance, think about what specific criteria need to be met. Should the field equal a certain value? Should it contain specific text? Or must it simply not be empty? Your choice will depend entirely on what you're looking to achieve with your form. Once you've set the condition, the next step is defining the action. Decide how you want your form to respond when the condition is met. Options are plenty. You can choose to show or hide information dynamically, make the field required or optional based on prior responses, or even set it to autofill with a certain value. If your scenario is more complex, don't worry. You can stack multiple conditions to tailor the logic to your precise needs. After setting your conditions and actions, it's crucial to ensure everything works seamlessly. Hit the preview button to experience the form as a user would. Enter different values in the trigger field and observe if the form behaves as expected. This is your chance to tweak any missteps or fine-tune settings before making the form live. Finally, once you're satisfied and everything checks out, don't forget to save your form. It's the last yet a critical step to ensure all your hard work is preserved and ready for users to engage with. There you have it, a complete walkthrough on implementing conditional logic in your Tally.so forms. This streamlined process not only adds sophistication to your forms, but also enhances user interaction by making them as relevant and intuitive as possible. Thanks for watching and happy form building.